Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if it's the first time you're watching, welcome. My name is Claire and I'm going to be unboxing a beauty box, but it's a little bit different. It's a limited edition one, and this is it. So the box costs £40. It's free shipping within the UK and £1.50 for the rest of Europe. Inside you have 11 full size and travel size items with a total value of £110, so you're saving £70. This box was released on December the 27th and shipping will be going out in the first or second week of January. I will add all details down below, so click on the show more, that bring up description and everything related to this box and the Pip box in general, so you're free to have a look there. That's the information, so let's get on and open it. It's really heavy. It is really heavy and a lot bigger than the normal boxes. So the normal boxes cost £20 a month, but as I said, I will link all the information down below. Oh, it smells really nice. So that's what the insides look like. So we've got some leaflets there and we've got some worms. So let's take some out. I'll just put them on the floor. I'll tidy up afterwards. There. So I'll give you a quick peek into what you'll receive in this box. So there's a little leaflet. It's like a promo leaflet. It's about PS, Primark's makeup and beauty brand. They've been awarded the coveted Leaping Bunny status by Cruelty International, the gold standard certification program for products not tested on animals. So there's a little bit of information about Primark products there. And then we've got a little booklet. So on here it says, your mini guide to cruelty-free beauty, the facts about animal testing, myth busting, hints and tips on how to shop for ethical beauty confidently, plus your limited edition kit revealed. And I forgot to say that this box is in partnership with Cruelty Free International, the charity. I'll just read the first page here, but I won't go into everything. It's just to give you an idea about the box as a whole. It says, this guide has been put together by the Pip Box and Cruelty Free International, the leading organisation working to create a world where nobody wants or believes we need to experiment on animals, to help you shop for cruelty-free cosmetics confidently. Shopping for ethical beauty can be confusing, with many brands making questionable claims about their animal testing policies, but this guide should help dispel any myths, provide you with the facts and give you lots of tips on how to shop for ethical beauty in 2019. Plus, your limited edition beauty starter kit contains all the beauty essentials you need to get going. We hope you love your beauty treats. As with their monthly subscription boxes, they give you information about the products in the box. They tell you a recommended retail price as well, which I really like, and gives you the website, so if you wanted to check out the products, you're welcome to go and have a look. So I will write that all down below. I'll do a big list of all the items that are in the box and I'll put their website next to them, so you're free to have a look if you want to learn a little bit more about the products. But yeah, so I'll put that down to the side of me. As I said, I'll pick an item up, show you, have a look, and then I'll refer back to this leaflet here. So the first item is really exciting, and it is a big coincidence. It is Eye Glow Long Lashes Serum for long, dark, voluminous and natural lashes in 3 to 8 weeks. And the reason why it's excited me, because, hold on, I got a load of them here. I've got 2 eyelashes and I've got 2 eyebrow serums. I'm testing these out at the moment and I've only just started doing it, so I can't notice any difference yet. But yeah, I've got a set to give away as well when my video comes up, probably in March time, because I want to leave it for as long as possible to see if there is a big difference. But yeah, so I'm really chuffed with this, because if it works then I'll be wanting another one. Now, I've seen on YouTube, I've seen on any social media, Facebook adverts, I have seen this brand, I've seen the before and afters, and yeah, it's always questionable, isn't it? So that's why I agreed to test these out, because my eyelashes are short and stumpy, and yeah, it'd be interesting to see if any hair grows on my eyebrows and my lashes grow really nicely. And I think it's quite a pricey product as well. Let's go and have a look to see what's here. It costs £53. So it says, Eye Glow is the lash serum that keeps its promises. Longer looking and healthier lashes in 3 to 12 weeks. Exclusive code, save 20% off with code LOVE25 on eyeglow.me. So that's what that looks like. There. You're supposed to put it just above your eyelashes, like an eyeliner, not actually on your eyelashes, and they recommend you do it in the evening. So yeah, that's what I've been doing anyway. So I'm quite chuffed to see that in there. So that's the first item. Next, we've got a Primark eyeshadow palette. And I've seen these in Primark and they look really, really lovely, really nice. And this is PS Amber Passion, and let's open it up here. If you've been a subscriber to my channel, you'll know I absolutely love these shades. The gold in the middle is gorgeous. It's really, really nice. So this is a Primark 9 shade eye palette amber edition. Recommended retail price is £3. Budget friendly and available on the high street. Primark is the perfect go-to store for all your makeup essentials. Included in your limited edition box is a new to the market eyeshadow palette with a mix of mattes, shimmers and metallic finishes. The next item is something really heavy. And what is this? I haven't opened this up. I've literally just opened the box, take the worms off and go and put it all back again. So this is the first time me actually getting in and opening things up and seeing what they are. So this is a Q Echo London. Also refreshing toner, 100ml. That's what the outer packaging looks like. Oh, that sounds really nice. Refreshing toner. It's exactly like a perfume. Maybe it is. Refreshing toner though. But what's it say about it? No, it's not perfume, obviously. I knew that. This is a refreshing toner. Recommended retail price is £27. And it says, this beautiful packaged mist delivers a hydrating and refreshing boost to skin. Mist on to cleanse face morning and night. Gently patting skin until fully absorbed. Launched in London by hair and makeup artist Kirsten Weller. Q-Echo Natural Skincare is committed to create a sustainable skincare for women and men alike. All products are cruelty free and organic certified and come in thoughtfully designed packaging with minimal impact on the environment. The range includes cleanser, a toner and a moisturiser, and there's an exclusive code to save 10% off. Use Go Cruelty Free at kyoko.co. I'll link that down below. Next we've got a natural eye pencil by Lolo, and that's the outer packaging. Oh, nice brown, a little bit different. Let me open it. Oh, that is nice. There, hopefully you can see there. I'll put it on my hand here. Oh, it's nice, a really, really deep brown. Excuse if you can hear my children and my husband downstairs. There's holes in this floor and it's only because we're renovating and we haven't touched this room for like 3 years, so it's now my filming room, which is handy, but there's pipes coming up because eventually this will be like a tiny bathroom. So we've got holes where the pipes are going, so unfortunately they can hear me and I can hear them. But that's what that pencil looks like there. We get a lot of eye pencils. Oh, let me take off my hairband. We get a lot of eye pencils in beauty subscription boxes, so it's nice, and we get black ones I should have said, so it's nice to have brown. I do tend to wear a lot of brown on the waterline because it just softens the look a little bit, so I'm really happy to try that. Lolo Natural Eye Pencil in brown, recommended retail price is £7.50. Enriched with moisturising and conditioning ingredients which are excellent for sensitive skin. Its soft and smooth application combined with a rich colour payoff makes this natural eye pencil perfect to outline, define and enhance your eyes. Next we've got a familiar, and I get this quite often, and it's an Aldi Lacura shower gel. Again, this is a naughty dupe. Aldi do dupes, if you didn't know. They copy a lot of brands out there. This is a copy of Original Source. Is that what it's called? I'm sure it's called Original Source. It just looks identical, doesn't it? But it's not. It's a Lacura range by Aldi. It's cruelty free, and in all honesty it is lovely. It is under £1, I believe, and yeah, it's lemon and tea tree shower gel. That's what that looks like there. I love anything citrusy, anything lemons, especially in the morning, because I tend to go for baths in the evening and showers in the morning, but no, I love it. So Aldi Kickstart shower gel, recommended retail price is 55p. Kickstart your day with a blast of freshness, packed with natural essential oils and extracts, pH balanced, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. At only 55p, this shower gel makes cruelty-free certified products more accessible and affordable. Next item is something pink. And this is Purple Tree Multi-Purpose Skincare Pomegranate Miracle Balm. Soothe, revive, moisturise, arpège, revitalise, hydrate, dry lips and skin, cosmetic finishes, nails and cuticles. And this is 25ml. So that's what that looks like there. What's it like here? Oh, it reminds me of like a Dr. Pawpaw. And it's very similar. Oh, smell! Oh, that is just gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous pomegranate smell. Oh, that is lovely, 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 lovely. Oh, I'd even pop that in my bag and use it like as a lip balm. So it's like a Vaseline. Gorgeous, gorgeous smell. And yeah, multi-purpose, so it'll do anything. So it feels lovely, feels really lovely. This is Purple Tree Skincare Pomegranate Miracle Balm. Recommended retail price is £3.99. Pomegranate Miracle Balm uses natural pomegranate oil to moisturise and provide relief from dry, cracked and irritated lips and skin. Its multi-purpose formula has many beauty uses too, such as smoothing and taming brows or fixing glitter makeup looks. A handbag essential for your moisturising and beauty needs. Next we've got a little box or something. What's this? A hair and body bar, and it's by Friendly Soap, natural and handmade lavender and geranium. What's this so cute? I'll show you packaging first before I open it up. So that's what that looks like there. Very subtle, very subtle. It's nice, really nice, isn't it? I love natural soaps. I buy quite a few of them. And I've had them in beauty subscription boxes as well, so I'm really happy to try that. So hair and body. Friendly Soap Hair and Body Bar. Recommended retail price is £2.11. This natural handmade shampoo and body bar cleans, nourishes, conditions and promotes healthy hair growth whilst helping eco-conscious consumers to cut down on plastic bottled liquid shampoos and hand washes. All their soaps are free from palm oil, parabens, sulfates, triclosan, phthalates and cruelty, as well as being boxed in plastic-free recycle and recyclable packaging. Exclusive code for 20% off. Use Pip Box 20 on friendlysoap.co.uk. Next we've got a Seventh Heaven face mask, and this is a pink guava peel off, purifies and refines pores, easy peel mask. So that's what it looks like there. Woo! The ring light reflects off it, doesn't it? So this is for oily, combo and problem skin. So I haven't got that skin at the moment. If you're new to my channel, I'm on really strong medication because I suffer badly from acne, but thankfully not in the last 2 years. It's not suitable for me, but I'm not sure if we all get the same one or not. I'll read it in the leaflet now, but I know who I can give it to. So my daughter has got really greasy skin at the moment with some spots. I'm sure she'd love me for saying that, but yeah, she might be interested in these, so I'll give that to her. Everyone will receive the same mask. So this is the recommended retail price for this mask is £1. Deeply cleanse and purify pores with a new Seventh Heaven pink guava peel off mask, bursting with antioxidant rich ingredients including vitamin C, pressed mangosteen and crushed guava. This heavenly fruit medley will help remove dead skin cells and reveal super soft, squeaky clean skin, perfect for a pamper night. Oh my gosh, that sounds absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? I keep wanting to sniff it, but I won't open it, but no, I'll get my daughter to do it. We've got a pot or something. So this is the Natural Deodorant Co. So Palmarosa and Mandarin Clean Deodorant Balm. So it's a 20-gram little pot there. You can see it's just a little balm in there. Fortunately for me at the moment, I can get my fingers in there because my nails are short. Oh, it's just like white chocolate. It's melting on my finger, just like white chocolate. I'm not sure, because I've got loads of different smells from trying products. I'm not sure if it's this or something else, but I think it's quite subtle, but almost orangey smell. But yeah, sorry, going back to my finger. Because I haven't got a nail on there at the moment, I can get it in, but it'd be lovely if they were in like a wide glass jar, you know, a shallow but wide, so you can get your fingers in there, you know, because if you've got nails, you can imagine, can't you, you're going to be gouging that out and it's quite hard to get it out. That's the only thing, because I've had a few of them now, different brands, but I can't get my fingers in there properly, not when I've got nails, but at the moment I'm okay, but no, we'll see. So what's it say here? The recommended retail price for this deodorant balm is £6. Clean deodorant balm is bound to become your go-to deodorant. This creamy balm melts into skin effortlessly. I can't say that word. And is perfect for daily use on all skin types. A clever combination of antibacterial magnesium and sodium bicarbonate provide all-day odour protection. Coconut oil and shea butter nourish delicate underarm skin. Exclusive code 20% off using Pip Box at naturaldeoco.com, which I'll link down below. So no, really interesting to try that. That feels a bit different to the ones I've tried before. As I said, it felt like melting white chocolate. So yeah, I don't know what that would be like. So no, interested to try that. Next we've got something that looks like a lip balm. So this is a Sylvan Skincare Anise Lip Balm, Shea Butter and Star Anise, and it's 15ml. Is it anise or anise? I'm not too sure. It's a word I never really say, so apologies for getting that wrong, but it's lip balm there. Let's open it up. Like an aniseedy type smell, but not as strong. Oh, it feels nice. I was going to put it on my lips. I'll try. Oh, it feels really nice. I'm not keen on aniseed sort of smelling stuff. Well, no, it's not aniseed. It's star anise. But it'd be interesting to see how the smell is like, whether it's a smell that would get on my nerves or I quite like it. It's not overpowering, but it's a sort of smell that, yeah, I'm not that keen on. So where's the information here? So the recommended retail price for this lip balm is £5. Sylvan Skincare Beautiful Vegan Anise Lip Balm is packed with shea butter, jojoba, olive and apricot oils with star anise and sweet orange to moisturise and protect. Their range of lip, body and skin balms are made with the highest quality, organic and sustainable source plant-based ingredients. See how that goes. It feels really, really lovely on my lips. And I think we've got one more. And we do, and it's an Urban Veda, and it's a Neem and Botanics Daily Purifying Facial Wash. Purifying and mattifying for oil-prone skin. So that's what that looks like there. Again, it's not for me, but my skin type at the moment is, I'd say, dry to combination, dry around the outside, a little bit greasy in the middle. So yeah, so I'll use it. I love cleansers, and yeah, my shower, I've got like a big shelf in the corner of the shower, and I've got lots of different ones there which I grab. So I do like them. I do really, really like them. So if it's not suitable much, if I find that it dries my skin out a little bit too much, then I'll give it to my daughter. But I've tried this brand before, and from memory I think I do quite like them. I can't think now what other products I've had, but I have tried them in the past. So what's it say here? So this is a travel size, and the recommended retail price is £3.99 with a gentle formula that won't strip your skin of moisture. This cleanser effectively removes all traces of makeup and bacteria whilst enveloping your skin in softness. Head to their website to test out the full range from exfoliator to moisturisers, and the exclusive code for 25% off, use PIP25 on urbanveda.com. Right. My hands are really stretching here, but those are the 11 items. So this box is advertised as a cruelty-free starter kit, basically a starter beauty kit. So if you're thinking about going cruelty-free in the new year, then this box might be of interest to you. It's introducing you to lots of different brands, and some really nice brands as well. A bit of a difference. You've got some high-end, and you've got a drugstore with a Primark, and the 55p shower gel. So I think it just goes to prove that cruelty-free products don't have to be expensive. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Is this a box that takes your fancy? Do you think it's a really good idea? Do you think it's good value for money? All your opinions I'd love to read down below. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and all information related to this box will be listed down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.